When the fireplace begins to glow and the cold winter air fills the night, the mantel becomes the heart of your home, warm, magical, and full of holiday charm. Whether you love classic Christmas garlands, sparkling lights, elegant candles, or whimsical festive touches, your mantel sets the entire mood for your seasonal decor. It's where stockings hang, memories are made, and Christmas magic truly comes alive. Today, we're transforming your fireplace mantel into a breathtaking Christmas focal point that feels cozy, elegant, and unforgettable. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas. In today's video, we're exploring Christmas mantel and fireplace decor ideas. From classic garlands to modern minimalism, sparkling lights, wintry textures, and creative festive accents. Whether your style is traditional, elegant, rustic, or whimsical, we've got inspiration to help you decorate the most magical spot in your home. What are the essential elements of Christmas mantel decor? Start with a garland, add lighting, then layer in stockings, candles, ornaments, and seasonal accents. These elements create the classic Christmas fireplace look that feels warm and inviting. How can I decorate my mantel for Christmas on a budget? Use Dollar Tree greenery, thrifted candles, homemade stockings, and DIY garland. Add fairy lights or ribbon for an instant upgrade without spending much. If you love budget-friendly decorating, like this video and share it with friends. What are some elegant Christmas mantel decor ideas? Use metallic tones like gold, champagne, or silver. Add velvet stockings, glass candle holders, frosted greenery, and soft white lights. Symmetry helps create a luxurious, polished look. How do I create a cozy, rustic Christmas mantel? Incorporate natural elements like pine cones, birch logs, wooden signs, lanterns, and earthy greenery. Add plaid or knit stockings to create a warm, winter cabin style. Do you prefer elegant or rustic mantels? Tell us in the comments. What are easy Christmas fireplace decor ideas for beginners? Use one statement garland, a pair of matching candle holders, and coordinated stockings. Simple symmetry is the easiest way to create a clean and beautiful holiday look. How can I decorate my mantel with a Christmas garland? Drape the garland naturally or secure it with hooks, then add ribbons, lights, berries, and ornaments. Layering textures makes the garland look fuller and more luxurious. What are Christmas fireplace decor ideas without a real mantle? Use a floating shelf, wall hooks, or creative command strips. Add garlands, stockings, hanging decor, or wall-mounted wreaths to create a faux mantle effect. How do I create a winter wonderland mantle? Use snowy garlands, silver ornaments, icy blue accents, frosted branches, and cool white lights. Add glass trees or crystal decor for a magical frozen look. Subscribe for more Christmas room-by-room decorating videos. What are modern Christmas mantle decor ideas? Stick with clean lines, minimal greenery, matte black accents, and simple candles. Use neutral stockings and avoid overly busy details for a more contemporary holiday style. How can I incorporate stockings into my mantle decor? Match stocking colors with your garland theme. Use elegant stocking holders or tie them with ribbon for a cozy, festive touch. Personalized stockings add meaning and charm. What's a great way to decorate the fireplace hearth for Christmas? Use lanterns, wooden crates, wrapped gift boxes, nutcrackers, or mini Christmas trees. These pieces help extend your mantle decor downward for a complete, styled look. How do I add lighting to my Christmas mantle? Use fairy lights, LED candles, twinkling garlands, or mini lanterns. Warm white lights help create
Check the
a cozy
description
glow.
for more
Cool
fireplace
white
and
lights give a
holiday
wintry
decorating
sparkle.
ideas.
What are cute Christmas mantle decor ideas? Add Santa figurines, tiny reindeer, Christmas village houses, or playful gingerbread accents. These pieces bring charm and childhood whimsy to your fireplace setup. How do I decorate my mantel with garland only? Choose a thick, high-quality garland and enhance it with lights, berries, pine cones, and ribbon. Let it drape naturally over the edges for a rich, classic look. How can I create a classy, timeless Christmas fireplace display? Stick to greenery, warm lighting, metallic accents, and simple stockings. Avoid clutter and choose pieces that complement each other with elegance and harmony. Your fireplace is where holiday magic takes shape, whether you prefer classic Christmas greenery, sparkling elegant mantels, playful themed decor, or cozy rustic touches. With the right layers of garland, lights, stockings, and seasonal accents, your mantel becomes the centerpiece of your home during Christmas. Let your creativity shine and make your fireplace glow with warmth and beauty this holiday season. If these mantel ideas inspired you, like the video and share it. What mantel style do you love most? Rustic, elegant, or playful? Watch our full Christmas decor playlist in the description. Subscribe for weekly Christmas decor inspiration. Explore related fireplace and garland decor ideas below.